another acoustic guitar tutorial, and today we're going to do Life by the Drop by Stevie Ray Vaughan. So begin by picking the 5th string, A string, open, and then hammer on your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, so like this. And then you pick the D string, 4th string open, and walk right up. So open 4th string, 1st finger, 1st fret, 4th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. So like this. Slowly. Then it switches and it uses a bar chord, so the dreaded bar chord. So you're going to bring your, this is an F sharp minor bar chord if you're curious.